Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, one and only original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, phony website jagoffs, or trolls. Alright, and this is Mega Ultra Super Burgh unboxing as I open up multiple items today that come in the mail. And this is from Amazon Fulfillment. Can't find my scissors, so I'm using the giant steak knife of death here. Have my bin where I'm taking all the envelopes and things, and here we have a, what the hell is this? I don't know, it's a swoosh. Someone sent me a swoosh. Feels like an old micro cassette box for like a zip drive. Well, it's in an orange box. Let's see. What do it be? Pry it open. It's orange. And Nike.com. You can see right through it. That's a nice little box. I might put something in that. That's kind of cool. I like that. Well, it's some kind of gift card. But there's no, hold on, let me look in the envelope. Maybe there's a, this is a gift or something. I didn't think of doing that. Hold on, that's true. Here we go. Sorry about that. I haven't had my second cup of coffee yet. Ordered by Fluffy! Thank you, Fluffy! Happy New Year. Frohes Neues Jahr. Onalista Uta Vuta from Fluffy, the cat, the smartest and richest cat in Finland. Thank you, Fluffy. So here's another Amazon gift card and a really cool Nike.com box. So we'll figure out how much this is later, because I don't know how much it is, but another gift card. Thank you, Fluffy Cat. And Happy New Year to you and Maddie and Cindy and the beloved one. And I hope you're over being frightened, Maddie, of the fireworks. I know you two cuddled together in fear on the bed. And kitties, all kitties, and doggies too, are afraid of fireworks on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. New Year's Day too sometimes. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thank you again, Fluffy the cat. Have a great day and a great afternoon or a great evening where you are, Fluffy and Maddie and Cindy and beloved. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, but in Finland you're getting too cool already with that big storm that just came through. So stay warm, Fluffy Cat, and stay safe, Fluffy Cat and everybody else. Bye-bye for now.